Hello traders. In this video I will review trading results using the gold ounce per US dollar Scalper Expert Advisor. From the sources I found, it was said that you could get up to 50% profit. For that I'm trying to make observations to see the actual results. If you want to try it, you can visit the website tradeea.com. There I have shared a gold ounce per US dollar expert advisor for free. Watch this video until the end to get complete information. I will review a few things in this video. How to download Expert Advisor and how to run it. Live trading results of Scalper gold ounce per US dollar EA. And if you are a new viewer, you can subscribe to this channel and get a free Expert Advisor along with current reviews. Don't forget to also click the bell button so you don't miss the next video update. How to download Expert Advisor and how to run it. Okay, I've explained how this Expert Advisor works before. In this video I will focus on live trading results using the Expert Advisor Scalper gold ounce per US dollar. I have also done a backtest with a quality result of 99.9%. And this is the result. You can get this Expert Advisor for free by clicking the download button here. There are two files that you need to download: indicator files and Expert Advisor files. Put the file scalperbar2.x4 into the indicators folder. Without this file the Expert Advisor will not work optimally, or even the Expert Advisor will not run at all. And the second, of course, you need to download the Scalper gold.x4 file and place it in the Experts folder. And this is the MT4 terminal that I have run using the gold ounce per US dollar Scalper Expert Advisor. You can see here how it works. This Expert Advisor does not use martingale. Expert Advisor uses a fixed lot for each transaction. Capital used is $1,000. The gold ounce per US dollar scalper settings that I use are like this. Live trading results of Scalper gold ounce per US dollar EA. For detailed trading reports, I've linked Expert Advisors to mifxbook.com. With a capital of $1,000 the gain is plus 4.86%. Trading has been running for 2 weeks. From the results of these 2 weeks, the estimated average daily income is 0.14% and monthly 4.38%, and 27.43% drawdown. This is not like what the developer says it can reach 50%. However, for the actual I will look at it again after a month. You can pay attention to the details of growth, balance, profit and drawdown risks in this graph. The colored line of people shows the drawdown that occurred. Information from advanced statistics I get a profit ratio of 86% and a loss ratio of 14%. From a total trading of 57 transactions. I also got a good profit factor here of 33.62. Average win 34.10 pips and average loss 6.63 pips. This also depends on the preset settings that you set. Trading activity. Open the first transaction on December 12, 2022. And open the last position on December 23, 2022. I made a video on December 26th. Meaning that the last Expert Advisor opened an open position last Friday. A total of around 11 Expert Advisor days running. For the longest trading duration can be up to 5 days. And the fastest is only 11 seconds. Once again I explain this expert advisor does not use martingale. For details of transactions that occurred for 11 days are like this. You can pay attention to the candlestick chart. The opening that happened was just a buy. Next is the summary information for the gold ounce per US dollar pair. Profit $48 and 61 cents. You can also pay attention to hourly, daily, risk of ruin information, and some information if you need it. Yes, I just ran this expert advisor in December 2022 with a profit of 4.86%. If you ask whether this expert advisor is good or not, for now it's pretty good with a profit factor of 33.62. Make sure before to real money, you have learned how it works beforehand at least 1 month. And you can draw conclusions whether this expert advisor is feasible to run on a real account or not. I hope you find financial success with the expert advisors that I share. There are many expert advisors that I have shared. You can check on this channel. Thanks.